The mat is nice and big, and also reversible with great designs on both sides. It is nice enough that we have decided to keep it out in our living room. The only downside is that it is kind of thin, so not the comfiest on our hardwood. But once some padding is added beneath, it's a perfect play mat as it cleans easy and folds very easily, so we can take it anywhere. The carrying bag is a cute plus as well. Never mind a splash mat for under high chairs that slide and are thin as can be. This is where it sat. Sturdy and easy to clean up all the food mess your kids throw around or purpose or not lol. Very versatile for play or even a yoga mat. Reversible with cute print too, simply amazing. Such an amazing thing. I was wondering how it was going to work being so big. But it folds and acts kinda like a transformer to fit where I need it. Perfect grip with all the alphabet stamped into it. And perfect thickness. Where I feel comfortable letting my daughter play. Thanks company for a good product. I love this mat. It is the largest one I could find for the most affordable price without cutting back on quality. I specifically was searching for a mat that would fit underneath a play yard, that was not obnoxiously colored, and that was affordable, and this mat met all those criteria. It is both beautiful and functional, and I think my child and any future children I have will enjoy it for a long time. I love that I have a safe place to let my 5-month-old crawl around and explore on while I cook and work in the kitchen. While this mat is on the thinner side, it provides enough protection from our hard tile floor for when my baby inevitably falls over. I love it. It's the biggest plastic mat I can find online. I like the color, size and shape, but the material seems softer than the one I bought from another seller. Click link in description for more reviews.